Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from your beloved channel Linguamid. Today in this episode we are in part 3 of the question articles in spoken Egyptian. We already learned 6 question articles in part 1 and 2, and in part 3 we will learn additional 3 very important and fundamental articles, so let's dive in. Our super important articles in spoken Egyptian for today are فين and came and became. Okay, فين, came and became. And we have a similar episode in Modern Standard Arabic for these ones. But you can compare, of course. But here we will talk about these 3, فين, came, became, and I'll give you information how we write them and how we use them in a phrase one by one. So let's start with the first article. In Modern Standard Arabic we say أين, but in spoken Egyptian we say فين, فين. And actually this is something that to know as a resource. So فين, it's from في, which is in, a preposition, and أين in Modern Standard Arabic, which is where, and becomes في أين, في أين. And with time, في أين became فين. Okay, فين in spoken Egyptian we say فين, which is where. When I say, for example, فين المطعم, فين المطعم, where is the restaurant, فين المطعم, فين المطعم. أنت فين, or فين أنت, where are you. Okay, where are you. فين أنتي, where are you, female. فين أنت, where are you, male, and so on. Okay, so فين is أين in spoken Egyptian. أين is Modern Standard Arabic, and فين is spoken Egyptian, which is where.
Also, don't forget to support me by sending me special thanks.
Now let's move to the second article or tool, which is كام. Okay, كام. From Modern Standard Arabic كم. Okay, we say كم, but in Egyptian we say كام. كام, simply كام. Okay, عندك كام سنة. How old are you? Okay, عندك كام سنة for male, عندك كام سنة for female. How old are you? So كام is a very important also article, which is how much or how many. We say simply in spoken Egyptian كام. I also remind you to register for free in my 100% free Egyptian Arabic 101 course. This is a course that I prepared to give you a background in Egyptian dialect. Okay, so make sure to sign up in the course. You will find the sign up link in the first comment and also in the description box below. The same article or tool, which is كام, if we add b, a preposition, in front of it, connected, and we say became, it's literally with how much. Okay, with how much. And this is actually, we ask here about the cost. We ask about the cost. So became. If you are shopping on the street and you don't have any badges on the articles and you want to know the price, so you ask became the, how much is this, or is it, how much is this, became the, or became the if it's a female. So became the for male, became the for female. Okay, and also I have also another one. If you say, for example, became الطماطم, how much the tomato. Okay, so 1 kilo, how much does it cost, for example. became الطماطم. Okay, so became the, how much is this. So simply you say كام, which is how much or how many, and you add b at the beginning, it becomes became. And this is how we typically native Egyptians ask about the price of something. So I hope that this was easy. We learned فين, and we learned كام, we learned became. So فين, where, and كام, how much or how many, and became is how much for the cost. Okay, just b and كام. I hope these question articles or tools were easy for you, and also very recommended to take a look at the Modern Standard Arabic version of these question articles in another video. you will see also the modern standard Arabic words, and you can relate actually between the modern standard Arabic and the Egyptian terms. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And as I always say, I'm really recommending that you sign up 100% free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course, the basic course. You'll find the sign up link in the first comment and also in the description box. And also you'll find interesting resources. Go there and explore for yourself. It will be really so much fun. And also, if you have any question or any feedback, just drop me a comment below and share this episode with your community if you find it useful. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in a future episode.